This is the problem. This is supposed to come straight up to here, and it's obviously just shot out that way. This right here is the thing that slammed down and smashed my finger. I know how much you guys are feeling so sorry for Eric with all the mean pranks that I pull on him. And you wonder, what does he do out here? Well, now is your chance to find out. So we have our hay carts here, which you can see in any number of the previous videos. The video right up here, bloop, if you want to click that one real quick and put it in your side browser window, that's a nice video of the carts trying to eat me alive. But the issue we've been having with the carts is that they're falling apart. We bought them used for what, $2,500 each? $2,000 each? Now that was a heck of a steal because we actually found these exact same carts at an auction. And what did they go for at auction? $4,000 each?
They're between $3,000 and $3,500.
Yeah, it was insane. We're just like, you know, but that's farm auctions out here for you. Anyway, there's some major issues we've been having. Our hay bales, when they travel up the chute, for whatever reason, are packing super, super tight. And we take all of the pressure off our baler. So it's hydraulic pressure on our baler, and we dial it down to 0. But yet the bales are still coming out crazy tight.
All right, guys, so we really noticed this last time. This weld right here is supposed to be down here. So this plate here is not only pushed back, it's pushed up as well. So what we have to do, we have to pull this unit here forward and push down on this at the same time to line this up to re-weld it. And there's a couple more welds right here that we're gonna have to weld. But first, I noticed this looks like it's bent a little bit too, so we're gonna try to straighten this before we do any fitting. And I'm gonna go get some gloves and maybe some safety glasses. Do you have gloves?
Right there.
Okay. So if any of you guys don't know, this is what they call a quarter power. It's meant for pushing. We use them in auto body. This is just a small one. This is a 4-ton. They make 10-ton ones.
I think that'd be good. Sorry guys. It's hard to see exactly where to set you guys up so you can see this. Is that thunder? Thunder! Ooh.
Doesn't even look like 2 darts are close.
Good timing.
Give me a little pressure. Let's hold this bar.
Hey, for once you guys get to see Eric's butt.
Well, it looks like it went up a little bit. Straighten it. That's pretty stout. Alright, let's get the come along.
Oh, actually that's going pretty good down there. Okay, at least all the tires are staying inflated on this. Things to be thankful for.
Barbs on this thing.
Whoa, that is coming. What?
Oh, we looking. That was quite a ways back, wasn't it?
Yeah.
pushing all at the same time.
Right.
Just to bring what we want. Get this piece right here down to right here. So we can weld it.
Alright, it's gotta come down like 1.5 inches.
How about that?
Oh yeah, it looks nice, huh? That's a nice looking weld.
I was just doing little circles. Kind of
Yeah.
like I wanted to make sure I got enough overlap top and bottom, but they're dirty because it's flux core. You know, there's no. But that's good for out here with the wind.
Right,
You
you
know,
have to
because you don't have to worry
flux
about
core.
shielding gas.
Yep. It's gonna be like a 50-50 shot as to whether the storm hits us or not. Let's check the radar, and it's projected to go around us, but the wind keeps shifting. Let's see all that.
Right, you ready? Finish this off. Alright guys, so we just finished welding this cart. The welds are not pretty. This is flux core wire, so we'll just have to wire brush these and blow some paint on them. But we got it welded here. So we had to readjust the welder, turn the wire speed up to fill a hole in, so we got that welded. We got all 4 of these under here welded.
Alright, so Eric's gonna spray paint some black implement paint because that's all he's got.
Couldn't find any red, guys, so we're just gonna go black.
You can always redo it later.
This
Thinking is,
has a little bit of protection on there.
yeah, you just want to get it covered so it doesn't completely rust out. Yeah,
That thing was like loose as a goose.
it's probably not going to mangle my thumb anymore either.
You remember how rocky this thing was?
Yeah. That's the one that chopped my thumb off. You see him slamming? See him bouncing like that? That's exactly. That's why my thumb got smashed, because it's broken. So we gotta fix that today. Alright, so you guys want to know something funny? So I'm shooting this over the period of 2 days. Normally I just show you the first cart and be done with it, but this cart is the bad one. This thing is a mangled mess. And this is partly why our last load of hay came out so badly, because it just couldn't see how mangled this is. Sorry guys, like, see how mangled this is. No, okay, so it's right here. I mean, it's hard to tell from this spot right here. Okay, it's hard to tell from everywhere, but let me show you from right here. Okay, this is the problem. This is supposed to come straight up to here, and it's obviously just shot out that way. This right here is the thing that slammed down and smashed my finger. Watch your fingers. All right, a little bit more, right there. A little bit more. And then we're gonna have to wedge it. Yeah, right there.
Another extension in there, huh? Suzanne's getting suited up for some welding. Thanks for the nice subscriber that sent her a jacket so she doesn't burn herself. that looks good.
Oh, I got a hole right there.
That looks pretty good. Getting good penetration.
All right, I'm going to show you guys really quick the final product on this hay cart. So here you go. There's Eric's weld. You can see we went through and painted it all nice. Just a little blast of spray paint. We got Eric welded all of these. A little blast of spray paint on that too to keep them from rusting. And this should now be lined up. Hopefully that'll help the hay from being packed so tightly. A lot of you guys made the comments that you had easy carts and you really loved them and you didn't have any issues with the hay overpacking on your carts. So hopefully the reason they were overpacking was because they were damaged and not functioning correctly. So we'll give them a shot probably this week and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you enjoyed the little bit of Eric doing his work on the carts. Have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye.